Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. So we're down to just a few weeks left to go in the class, and this week we're wrapping up our time on health-related fitness component. So our last component is body composition, and that's simply what your body's made up of. And of course, we prefer to have more lean tissue than fatty or adipose tissue. And so this really all comes down to diet and exercise. Of course, things like genetics and heredity play a role here. But we can really control body composition for the most part through diet and exercise. Um, and so this particular area of health-related fitness is really tied into these other four, okay? And then for the next chapter that we'll have this week, chapter 7, is tying everything together that we've talked about so far through the semester and creating your total fitness and wellness plan. And so again, fitness, we're talking more about the exercise and physical activity component, wellness, just your overall well-being. So again, this is putting it all together. This is where I was saying, with this information here, and as you've been learning throughout the whole semester, you won't need to go out and hire a personal trainer, so to speak, unless you just need someone to motivate you and inspire you. But really, you have all the knowledge you need to create and incorporate your own plan. So with that being said, it's a pretty routine week. You've got your checklist, this video, the PowerPoint for Chapter 6, and the quiz. Disregard this. That will be hidden. You don't have a unit test. Okay? And then the same thing for Chapter 7. Your checklist, the PowerPoint, the quiz, and your labs. Notice you do not have a lab for body composition, but you do for Chapter 7. All right, guys, as always, I'm here. If you have any questions, just a reminder to make sure your green bars are totally filled in. That means you've completed every assignment. If you have any white space at all in the previous chapters, go back and make sure that's filled. All right, guys, make it a great week. Take care.